Imagine waking up one morning to a sky crisscrossed by two gleaming bands of dust and ice, stretching from horizon to horizon. You stare through your bedroom window as the delicate arc of Earth's new rings hovers overhead, casting a faint celestial curtain across the sun. For the first time in human memory, the sky doesn't look empty beyond the clouds. Instead, it feels like you're living inside a giant cosmic jewel box. Those rings, born from some ancient collision or a captured moonlit, shattered by gravity, drift lazily above you like the halo of a sleeping giant. At dawn, the low sun filters through the icy particles and paints the world in soft pink and violet streaks. Shadows on the ground lengthen into fine filigree patterns, as if some divine lacework has been cast upon trees, buildings, and pavement. Mornings feel cooler, and evenings glow with a silvery afterlight, long after the sun has dipped. Seasons bend to the ring's influence. Summer days stretch with streaked twilight, while winter nights grow strange and enchanted, ring shadows sweeping across snowfields like slow-moving specters. Engineers and scientists scramble to adjust satellite orbits. The tiny gravitational tugs from the ring's mass and the debris within them nudge spacecraft off course, turning carefully planned launches into awkward dances. Some satellites graze the outer edge of the ring, kicking up fresh dust and widening the bands ever so slightly. Others suffer collisions with micrometeoroids, once harmless, now flung at higher velocities by the ring's orbital dynamics. Space agencies reconfigure flight paths, while amateur astronomers take to rooftops, mapping the ring's ever-shifting contours. Back on solid ground, debris risks become a new reality. Meteoroids that would have burned up harmlessly in the atmosphere now ricochet off ring particles, sending showers of glowing fragments into the sky and occasionally down to Earth. People build stronger rooftops, and cities install early warning networks to track incoming flares of ice and rock. Yet, amid the peril, there's wonder. Nights when thousands of streaking lights, ring ejecta, turn the sky into a living tapestry of shooting stars. Cultures evolve around the rings. Poets write odes to their eternal arc. Lovers carve promises into park benches beneath the shimmering bands, and children invent games of catch with ring shadows dancing on their faces. Religions adopt new symbols. Some see the rings as a bridge between Earth and the heavens, a path for ancestors' spirits to travel home. Festivals spring up to celebrate the solstice when the sun's rays hit the rings at just the right angle, igniting a blaze of rainbow colors that lasts only moments but lingers in memory for years. Even architecture adapts. Skyscrapers are crowned with observation decks shaped like teardrop windows, framing the rings at the perfect angle. Highways and bike paths curve to align with sunrise through the ring sky, turning mundane commutes into daily rituals of awe. And in every corner of the world, people pause at twilight, tipping their heads back to watch the rings glow until the last light fades. In this new age, Earth no longer spins alone in the void. It dances within its own celestial halo, forever changing how we see our home and our place in the universe. If you have absurd questions, write them in comments. If they're interesting, we can make a video about them.